How do I reboot my device into bootloader mode?
Hello there. In this video, we will be discussing how you can reboot your device into bootloader mode. Bootloader mode, also known as fast boot mode, allows you to flash a custom ROM, unlock your bootloader, or modify your device's system software. Let's get started.
What is a bootloader?
Before we dive into the process, it's important to understand what a bootloader is. The bootloader is a program that starts whenever a device is powered on to activate the right operating system. It is crucial to many device operations, so handle with care.
When would I need to use bootloader mode?
There are a number of scenarios where you might need to reboot your device into bootloader mode. These include installing a new operating system, flashing custom ROMs, or performing a factory reset on your device. But remember, incorrectly using the bootloader can brick your device, so always proceed with caution.
How to reboot your Android device into bootloader mode?
To reboot your Android device into bootloader mode, follow these steps. 1. Turn off your device. 2. Hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. 3. Keep holding both buttons until you see the bootloader menu. These steps may vary based on the specific model of your device.
How to reboot your iOS device into bootloader mode?
For iOS devices, the process is a bit different. You'll need to put your device into DFU, Device Firmware Update, mode. Follow these steps. 1. Turn off your device. 2. Connect your device to a computer. 3. For iPhones 8 and newer, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Then, press and hold the side button until your device reboots. Continue holding the side button, even after you see the Apple logo. 4. As soon as the screen blackens, press and hold the volume down button while continuing to hold the side button. 5. After 5 seconds, release the side button but continue to hold the volume down button until your device is in DFU mode. This is a more complicated process, and these steps can slightly vary based on your device's model. And that's it. That's how you reboot your device into bootloader mode. Always remember to be careful when dealing with your device's bootloader, as improper use can cause significant issues. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.